Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can use a rangefinder in Battlefield 6. So make sure you add it to your weapon and let's go. I'll show you how you can use that. So as you can see, as you're scoping, what you'll need to do is click on B and just point at the enemy, click on B, and that's how you use a rangefinder thing. So as you can see, it's not that hard to do. Just click on B and it automatically locks it. So that's how you use rangefinder in Battlefield 6. Otherwise your bullet will go up or down, so it will remain straight as you select on rangefinder. So that's pretty much it. If this video is helpful, please make sure to comment down below and subscribe to me. See you in the next one.